Welcome to Wise Owl English Learning. In this video, we will learn the names of over 30 common public places in English, from schools and parks to supermarkets and hospitals. These words are essential for everyday conversations. Let's get started and expand your vocabulary together. School.
School.
A place where students learn. University.
University.
A place where people go to study after high school. Hospital.
Hospital.
A place where people go when they are sick or hurt. Library.
Library.
A place where you can borrow books. Park.
Park.
A place where people go to relax and play. Bank.
Bank.
A place where you can keep and withdraw your money. Restaurant.
Restaurant.
A place where you can buy and eat food. Police station.
Police station.
A place where police officers work. Market.
Market.
A place where you can buy fresh food and goods. Supermarket.
Supermarket.
A large store that sells food and other items. Mall.
Mall.
A large building with many shops. Post office.
Post office.
A place where you can send and receive letters and packages. Cinema.
Cinema.
A place where you can watch movies. Bus station.
Bus station.
A place where buses stop to pick up passengers. Airport.
Airport.
A place where planes take off and land. Hotel.
Hotel.
A place where people stay when they travel. Fire station.
Fire station.
A place where firefighters work. Train station.
Train station.
A place where trains stop for passengers. Museum.
Museum.
A place where historical objects are displayed. Theater.
Theater.
A place where you can watch plays. Pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
A place where you can buy medicine. Gym.
Gym.
A place where you can exercise and stay fit. Zoo.
Zoo.
A place where you can see animals. Stadium.
Stadium.
A place where sports events take place. Swimming pool.
Swimming pool.
A place where people swim for exercise or fun. Gas station.
Gas station.
A place where you can fill your car with gas. Beach.
Beach.
A place by the sea where people can relax. Playground.
Playground.
A place where children can play. Barbershop.
Barber shop.
A place where men get their hair cut. Hair salon.
Hair salon.
A place where you can get your hair styled. Church.
Church.
A place where Christians go to pray. Mosque.
Mosque.
A place where Muslims go to pray. Temple.
Temple.
A place where people go to worship gods. Thank you for watching Wise Owl English Learning. We hope you enjoyed learning about these public places and that you found the video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos to improve your English. See you in the next video.